Hey everyone, Ruby the Red-Nosed Pit here. My cousins Kira and Tacoma, Texas Jersey girl, came over for a visit. We had a nice time. Tacoma tries to get me going by snipping at my face, but she's only 8 pounds, and I could eat her for breakfast if I wanted. She's a big bully if you ask me. After all, it is my house. We were stuck in the house all day because Dad was painting the deck. He did a great job on the rails. When he's all done, me and the girls will have a nice summer hangout. When the pool goes up, I invite all of you to come for a swim. Just bring a couple of steaks. I really like steak. Happy summer, guys.